A great way to connect more deeply to nature is to sit in a relaxed way and put some attention on the space around your body. Let it expand and release and relax. This is your outer body system, and just by intending to, you can expand it and make it more permeable. And then listen. Right now the toads are chorusing here where we live in Pennsylvania. You can let those sounds permeate through the space around you into your body and see what you notice. And take a few moments afterwards to notice the reverberation of that sound all the way into your bones.